Hi, today I'm gonna show you how different devices work in Tesla coil field. We will test a small radio, CD player, old school iPhone, and a theremine, which is an electronic music instrument. This a bit unusual transformer works from a low power transistor. Primary coil is a copper tube. It has about 1.5 turns. Secondary coil is made from cookie box. Let's reveal UFO secrets. UFO eyewitnesses claim that flying saucers turn off radios, car engines, etc. Something similar we can observe right now. Now let's test a CD player. We'll see how it will interact with Tesla electric field. In my previous experiments, record player was even more crazy. It switched itself to tape, to radio and back to CD. Now it's time to test an iPhone. Cassette case from my band Hladom Rak I used as a holder. Mobile phone I used to film this video is a way more sensitive to that field and usually it starts to make photos itself, doing several photos in a row. But iPhone didn't react at all. I'm curious what will happen now with theremine. Please subscribe my channel and leave your ideas and suggestions in comments. That's all, folks.